Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. I have some really exciting news for you today. Of course, I'm going to start off with proof of payment because that's what I like to do to show people that this is a real opportunity that I've been involved in since September of 2017, have earned over $40,000 utilizing the system within the last 5 months or so. And I'm extremely excited because this is a newbie friendly system and I've been able to leverage the opportunity. And, I'm just going to the information that I wanted to share with you today. So first, what I want to do is take you into my email where one day ago, this is my account. There go my face here. That's my name. I deposited a total of $5,897 into my bank account from the Power Lead system. That just goes to show you how real the system is. I made this amount over the last 3 weeks and it's continuously growing. This is an extremely easy system to use because it's duplicatable, it's newbie friendly, and they've been around forever. They pay out once a week, every single Wednesday, like clockwork, been around for over 8 years, and I'm just extremely excited about the opportunity. But to take you here to the Power Lead system, what we have going on here is they have included in the back office MTI, which is available for purchase in 3 days. And for those who don't know what that is, it's the Master Traffic Academy. So what is going to actually happen is you're going to be able to receive larger commissions. I believe it's $1,000 commissions. I'm not for sure exactly how much it's going to cost to get into that traffic. Now you have better sources, better traffic methods from the top commission, clicks on autopilot, be able to get some commission on release and do it at much faster pace. So those who have been waiting on getting larger commissions, being able to upgrade, we will be able to do that on Monday morning. So if you are not in as a platinum member, you want to get in as soon as possible, upgrade when you can, because what's going to happen is this Traffic Institute is going to allow you to pretty much put your business on autopilot. And all of the marketers here with the Power Lead system is extremely excited about this opportunity. We are happy that it's here. It's going to allow us to leverage the opportunity and make thousands and thousands of dollars utilizing this system. For those that don't know, the Power Lead system gives you a done-for-you funnel where you can actually create unlimited capture pages, sales pages. If I create that, I can give you my share code where you can actually use that and leverage the opportunity by running cold traffic to your funnel. So again, I am going to be purchasing this probably live Monday morning. So if you want to tune in for that, you can do so. We will be talking more about the Master Traffic Institute on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time by logging in and registering for our freedomtakers.net live hangouts that happen every Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be just a great opportunity for people to actually really put this on autopilot, be able to make commissions much faster, and be able to keep it consistent by having more traffic methods, being able to use them frequently and more consistently to bring in those higher commissions. So we're just excited about this. Of course, this is a one-time fee, and I'm not for sure how much it's going to cost, but a one-time fee to get into the Master Traffic Institute. But of course, you're going to be able to have unlimited commissions at this level once you buy into the Master Traffic Institute. And what I want to just let everybody know that these are all standalone products. So the Gold membership is standalone, Diamond, Platinum, the MTI is all standalones. Some people are confused. If they come in at the Platinum level, they think that it pays for the Gold and Diamond, and it doesn't. These are all separate payouts, and you pay into them separately. So Platinum, one-time payment of $497, Diamond, one-time payment of $147, Gold is a monthly payment of $53, and I believe the Master Traffic Institute is going to be somewhere between probably $1,200 and $1,500 to get in. One-time payment allowing you to receive like $1,000 commissions. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. If you want more information, it will be in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back to you guys Monday with more information about the Power Lead system and the Master Traffic Institute. That'll be here in 3 days. So thanks again. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.